Hi, Ben from Benz Softwash here, and today we're going to demonstrate the most effective way to rinse dry dash render. So Anthony is using our wide angle fan jet nozzle for rinsing. The beauty of this nozzle tip is that it puts out a lot of water at low pressure. Just bring that down, Anthony. I just want to show people that you can put my hand in front of it. And we're actually using the power washer here today to deliver the high flow rate with low pressure to the render so that we do not damage the surface and lose as few of the dry dash pebbles as possible. You'll see along the ground there, you will lose a few. The same is true during a storm or something like that. Property will always lose a few of the dry dash pebbles, but using the correct rinsing nozzles means that this can be kept to a minimum. And a wide angle fan, which is what we like to rinse render with anyway. We use the shooter tip then for patios and soffits, and some particularly high renders there we might use the shooter tip as well. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked this little video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified every time we release a new video. Thanks again, and happy softwashing.